Today we are going to make pizza flour with the Biga. Biga is a kind of pre-fermented dough which is like take 16 to 24 hours, have a room temperature. So let's start the recipe for the Biga first, then we will go forward to the how to make the final dough. Add the 300-gram flour and 1.2 gram dry yeast and then 140-gram water. Yes, it's very simple. Now we're gonna mix the ingredient. Mix flour, water, yeast, combine into a firm dough. You can also combine with the hand if you feel. Yes. So I'm gonna keep in room temperature for 18 hours, or can be a 24 hours if you need the more fluffy fermentation into final dough. So let's, guys, the bigger pre-fermentation dough is ready now, and let's make the final dough. It's a 700-gram flour, and the bigger